Preventing tantrums tool number 6. Offer choices. Humans like to feel in control of things or people around them. It could be the power that we feel or the predictability that comes with control that makes us feel good. When we can control the outcome, when we can make an impact, it feels good. The same is true for your toddler who's a little human being. That's why offering them little choices that they are developmentally capable of making helps. It helps in fulfilling their need for power and inclusion and in building the decision making parts of their higher brain. So, how exactly should you offer choices to your teeny tiny toddler? Rule number 1. You, the parent, makes the big decisions. Your toddler gets to make the small choices. For example, you decide it's time for lunch. They choose, do you want the pink or the green plate? You decide it's time to turn off the iPad. They choose, do you want to listen to Cocomelon or Frozen song last? You decide it's time for bed. They choose, do you want to wear the blue pajamas or the Dino ones? Rule number 2. You offer only 2 choices, both of which you're okay with. As you saw in those examples, we did not ask which plate do you want or what do you want to do. Such open-ended questions can be too overwhelming for your toddler, and not being able to come up with an answer can frustrate them and may even lead to a tantrum. So stick with 2 simple choices, both of which you are fine with, and then follow through. Here's few scenarios that might come up for you. Now, what if you see your toddler is not able to decide even when you give 2 simple choices, or if they tend to dilly-dally? That's okay, it's natural. They're still learning and their brains are developing. In this case, you can wait for a while for them to respond, and then you can calmly say, let's take the blue plate today. If they're okay, great. If not, they'll choose what they want. After a while, as you keep offering choices, your toddler will want to test those choices as well. I told you, that's what your little scientist always wants to do. Test, test, test. Here's how it will sound. You say, do you want the pink or the green plate? And they'll say, I want the red one. That's neither A nor B. How do you think you should respond here? Well, if the red plate is available, sure, give it to them. But if, for example, the red plate is broken, you say, you want the red one. I wish I could give it to you. See, it's broken. I can't give you that. You can choose between pink or green. Notice that's a calm response. If they throw a tantrum over it, you know how to pause and respond. When your responses are consistent over time, every time, they will adapt to the limit and they will tend to not test that limit again. Offering choices is a simple tool that will help you in setting limits calmly, confidently, and engaging your toddler so she willingly cooperates with you, thus preventing potential tantrums. Wins all the way through. And it's such a simple tool, you can start using it today. In the next lesson, I'll show you one more tool that helps you give your toddler a positive dose of power. I'll see you there.